In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Fib Speed Resistance Arcs on Tradingview, quick and easy. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add them to your chart, adjust them, customize the way they look, and manage them so they fit your trading style. First, open up your Tradingview chart. You can use any market or time frame you like. The process is exactly the same. Once your chart is open, move your attention to the upper left side of the screen, where your main drawing toolbar is located. This is where all the tools you'll need are stored. In that toolbar, look for the section that contains the Gann and Fibonacci tools. If you hover over the icon, you'll usually see a small menu pop out with different options like Fibonacci retracement, Fibonacci circles, and so on. Click on that Gann and Fibonacci tools icon to expand the list. From that expanded list, select Fib Speed Resistance Arcs. As soon as you click it, your cursor will change, letting you know the tool is active and ready to use on your chart. Now, it's time to place your arcs. Start by clicking on the chart where you want your first point to be. This is typically at a significant swing low or swing high, depending on how you like to analyze price movement. After placing the first point, move your cursor to where you want the move to end, then click again to create your last point. Once you do that, Tradingview will automatically draw the Fib Speed Resistance Arcs between those 2 points. These arcs help you visualize potential zones of support, resistance, and the speed of the price move. As price interacts with these curved levels, you can get a sense of whether momentum is slowing down, holding, or accelerating through those areas. You're not locked into your first placement. You can click and drag the endpoints to move or adjust the arcs anywhere on your chart. This is useful if you want to refine your swing points or test different moves. You can also customize the look of your arcs. With the arcs selected, use the quick toolbar that appears nearby. From there, you can open templates, change the color to match your chart style, and adjust the line tool width to make the arcs thinner or thicker for better visibility. For more advanced changes, click on Settings. Here, you can fine-tune the levels, visibility, and style of the tool. If you want to keep the arcs in place and avoid moving them by accident, use the lock option. When you no longer need them, you can click Remove to delete them from the chart. Finally, click on the 3 dots or More next to the tool for additional options and management. Explore these to save your favorite setups and streamline your workflow. That's how you create, adjust, and understand Fib Speed Resistance Arcs on Tradingview.